let's get going here. This is going to be the certified box break that I owe these some of you guys. So good luck. It is Saturday, 12:09 p.m., March 20th. So here we go. Good luck. Teams are posted. We got 4 packs, 4 hits in the certified. There's the empty. Pack 1. Ryan Fitzpatrick, Giovanni Bernard, Sammy Watkins, number 2/100 on the Watkins, Aaron Murray, and rookie roll call for the Eagles. That is Saul. This is number 2/100. Looks like we got some points for this one. Jamal Charles, Aaron Rodgers, Romo, Brandon Cooks, and 150 points. That'll be a random between the hit lists. Random between the hit lists. We got Gino, Marcus Colston, Ryan Tannehill, Carlos Hyde, and Vikings, Jerick McKinnon. That is Chris Billings. Chris Billings. Jerick McKinnon. Auto. And the final pack of the freebie. Brady, Richardson, Antonio Gates, number 2/100. Derek Carr and Michael Crabtree, 49ers, Saul. Is number 2/100 on the Crabtree. So Saul ends up getting 2 out of the 4 hits. Recap real quick. Crabtree, McKinnon, 150 points will be random between the hit list, and Jordan Matthews, Eagles.